Hi guys, this is Coach Podge. I'm one of the marketing director for TC88 Global. We are here now at Apple View Hotel in Davao and we are doing a kickoff. As you can see, we have a couple of people coming from different parts of Davao region and we are here to celebrate the engagement for the pre-launch of the TC88. And we are so excited that the TC88 will be here in Davao, and we have very good core teams here that is going to engage with the TC88 family. We welcome you to the TC88 family.
Hi guys, this is Coach Marco. We are here at Apple View Hotel here in Davao City, and we are here for the Leaders Conference for TC88 Global, and we're gonna witness business that is fully transparent, fully compliant, and at the same time profitable. We're teaching a lot of our leaders here in Mindanao, in Davao City, to know and engage in a business where the largest industry in the world, which is no other than financial markets, which is trading at more than $7 trillion per day. So we are here for the educational and business conference here in Davao City, and then we're gonna go to Iloilo City, after that Rojas City, and of course we're gonna be pre-launching as well the leadership in Manila, which will be on February 12 and 13 at One Shangri-La. Today it will start in about 30 minutes here in Apple View in Davao City. So guys, powered by Live City Technology DMCC in Dubai, and at the same time TC88 Global Marketing. So once again, this is Coach Marco. I invite you to attend our event today in Davao City. Best regards and see you at the top. God bless.
Everyone, good morning! You know what? Here in Davao right time, I am so very much excited. Bakit dito nangyari yung first event ngayon ng TC88? You know what? Alam nyo guys, alam nyo coaches, alam nyo advanced partners dito sa TC88. Sobrang thankful po ako dahil pinakilala po ito sa akin ni Coach Marco. And you know what? Right after ng event dito sa Davao, we're going to go to Panay Island, Iloilo City, Rua City, whole Panay Island. Get ready dahil ang daming good news na mangyari sa TC88. So guys, what are you waiting for? Samahan nyo kami guys. Yung family natin, lahat ng mga problema, marutas yan, samahan nyo dito sa TC88. Very exciting. Ang bait ng mga may-ari. Guys, mind you, ang daming mangyari sa TC88. So join with us right now. Good morning, this is Coach Ronilo from Iloilo City. Have a nice day!
TC88!